I tell you, the battery life on that little Sony sound recorder is incredible.
Is it?
Oh, fucking days. It just goes on and on and on.
So they can't make a bloody camera like it.
Yeah.
Thing is, what you're asking the camera to do, the battery would have to be the same size as your bloody crash helmet, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Right, good?
Yeah, all good to go.
Turning right here. So this is a lovely little route.
I didn't tell you your camera's on.
Pull away in second. This is normally caked in shit all the way across here, because the K's go one side to the other here, look.
Right, oh, now back on recording. Says on mine, we've got 1 hour and 1 minute.
1 hour 4 minutes on mine, would you believe?
Well, that's quicker than yours.
Ta-da!
There it is. Didn't feel like it clock that high, did it?
No.
Not South Mountains, but it's just as nice.
Yeah.
Some earthworks down there, I think.
I saw it come down here. There's a load of shite on this bend. Fucking horrible stuff. Loose.
Oh, lovely purple.
Load of shit there. This is a nice bit of road. This drops you down to Gillingham.
Yeah. I think that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, it is nice.
Not too gnarly, they're just nice and sweet, aren't they?
First time I used my 360 camera, I had it stuck out the side on a bloody selfie stick.
Yeah.
And I was wary about smacking other cars coming the other way with it.
Yeah, it's something you got to think about, isn't it?
Yeah. Of course, when it's on the selfie stick, it's bouncing around like a bloody idiot. And yet, when you look at the footage is still as anything.
Yeah. Well, then sometimes you can catch just something in the sort of peripheral vision of it bouncing around like a
Yeah,
but
yeah.
the picture, yeah, it's amazing, isn't it? I reckon if you could set one of those up in the right place, you wouldn't need a helmet camera anything, would you?
No, no, you get every view everywhere.
Yeah. I don't like that fish eye or fish bowl of the road, when you get up too high.
Yeah.
I don't like that effect. Those others will be head. We're all clear up there.
We are at the moment. No car coming now.
Okay.
It's a Mini. Yeah, you got
It
three
is a Mini.
or four coming.
Yeah. Well, we're in no rush.
Nah, but it's a nice road to enjoy the bends. Red micro coming.
I've got a Civic for me to the chance.
You're clear at the minute if you want to nip past him quick on that straight.
I lost you for a second there.
You're clear at the moment, there's nothing coming at all.
Okay.
Still clear. Car coming now.
Oh, that's it. Oh, not mine.
Great bends, isn't they? This is a lovely old church stuck out here.
Yeah. Been a day of church talk, isn't it? It's the fast over 100 on us.
Sound like motor of, isn't it? Church piggy, church piggy.
Maybe we'll come down here and we'll take you on the church talk. Oh, well,
Oh, look at this lot all tarted up, look. On the left. Jesus. Fucking hell.
Oh, I don't want to stop riding today.
You're what?
I don't want to stop riding today.
That's been bloody great, isn't it?
Some days you just want to keep going, don't you?
Yeah. It's up to you. You can either go straight on here and go Sturminster, Newton, Blandford and then home, or you can follow the route down this way.
I'm going to follow you. I've got all day. Please don't make me go home. Oh, this goes out to the quick stag, doesn't it?
Yeah, this is bumpy as fuck round here.
I'll put my light in a bottle, something to guide your way. Even if you're too scared to follow, there's a light in each new day. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we're finding there's more than one way to go home. I know you're tired of this pattern, one up and three below. When you're chasing after what matters, your heart knows where to go. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you'll have a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we find it, there's more than one way to go home. If the moon gives up rising, the sun stops it shining, you know you've got a hand to hold. As we wait on the timing, together we're finding there's more than one way to go home. Yeah, there's more than one way to go home.
Right, you're going to go straight across, aren't you?
I am, yeah.
Right.
Cheers for a bloody good ride, mate.
Yeah, no, I enjoyed that.
It's been a beautiful day, isn't it?
We'll do it again soon.
Alright, thanks very much.
Right, thanks, mate.
Thank you. Take care.
Thanks.